Hi everyone, my name is Darla Pegti de la Roma and I'm running to be your union president. For too long, we've been working hard, but our efforts haven't been recognized. Low pay, an unsafe condition, and unpredictable schedule. It's time to demand better. Together, we can create a workplace where every worker is respected and protected and paid fairly. As your president, I will fight for fair wage that keep up with the rising cost of living, safer working condition with the proper equipment and training, guaranteed healthcare so no one has to choose in between their health and a paycheck, job security to protect us the unfair layoffs. Management might say union cause conflict, but it's it about conflict. It's about collaboration. A union give us a voice at the table to negotiate for the dignity we deserve. Change start with us. Sign your union card today. Let's show them that when we stand together, when we together. Let's not just a union, it's our future. Are you ready to fight for it? Thank you.